Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you will be fine. Now today my topic, why upgrading matter in 2024. New games and software demand more powers. Old hardware can bottlenecks performance. You can save money by upgrading sensitively. I hope you will be clear. Choosing the right component. Identify performance bottlenecks in your current systems. Research the latest CPU, GPU, and RAM options. Set a budget and prioritize key components. Next topic, step-by-step upgrading guides. Backup your data and prepare your system. Install new components and secure them properly. Upgrading drive and test for compatibility. I hope you will be clear all the topic. Next, optimism performance trainings. Conference BIOS settings for optimal performance. Optimize window for gaming for creative tasks. Monitor system temporary and ensure stability. Common mistakes troubleshooting tabs. Common mistake troubleshooting types. Avoid common pitfalls like uncomfortability issues. Troubleshoot issues with hardware dedications or driver conflicts. Learn how to manage power settings and fun profiles. I hope you will be clear. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.